Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome Today, in the daily newspaper of Monday, April the 4th, 2022, we have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And we have also an additional, good news, additional, with 6 extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary puzzle. Half of them I will solve. These puzzles I'm not interested. So 3 puzzles I will solve in the additional, and also this medium Sudoku. And we have also a sad news of today. Yes, here in the newspaper. In Ukraine, the Russian army butchered people, or killed the people, the civilians, executed in Bucha. Yes. 300 civilians they have killed because the Russian army retreated. The army, retreated and butchered civilian people. So sad story and awful news. But let me continue with the puzzles. Yes, Sudoku Medium number 4357. 4357. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see, the 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then, let me see. Interesting. Well, 1. Not the answer right now. 666. Okay. We have a 2 in this row. Last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, only place left for the 2 should be here. 7. Yeah. 1. Yeah. Well, we have here 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be in one of those 3 boxes. 1 in one of those 3 boxes. In the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. Here, 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Right. 2, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3. Yes, okay. 5, 5 to the 9. Let me see the 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. Come on. 6, 6. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 7. 7, 7. Come on. 2, 2. We have a 2 here, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. All right. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, here, 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. All right. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the third row, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. All right. Okay. Cannot continue with 1. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row. So no 4 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 3 and the 6. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. Okay, so in this row, 3, 6, 7. So 1 box left. Yeah, should be the 8. Yeah. Because we have an 8 in this big square. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Okay. 1, 3, 7. 2, 5, 9. 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number is a 9. We see a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this third row should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. Okay. 9. Interesting. 6. Yeah. 8. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the first row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there in this big square. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. The third row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. All right. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this middle row. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the middle column. So no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Should be there. Alright. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next to only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 6. Let me see which number. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. Well, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box cannot be a 4. The 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair, 1 and a 3. That means 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 6. Should be there. Now the final two numbers in this big square, 4 numbers, 7 and a 3. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, told you, between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2-star Sudoku. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 7 weeks. Here we have 765, 765, 841, 841, and 924, 924. Here we have the 4 as a pair. 1 pair, I believe. Yeah, 1 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1 pair. All right. Thank you. And I will see you later with the other puzzles later on. Until then, bye-bye for now.